Hello guys, I'm Ying in Taiwan. This is my 21-day quarantine and this is the food I wanted to eat and this is the food I've been eating. And today's video I want to show you my first time post from Taipei to Kaohsiung. You can see that it's quite big. Thank you, my brother, for sending me this. Well, okay. Really, guys. As you can see, I'm a bit nervous, excited, all feeling together. It's quite hard to open this box because it's big and stable, you know. He make it perfectly. Okay, that's how cruel my face look while unpacking this. Yeah, and before that, you know, I've been hungry and missed local food so much. This is kind of my big problem here. I kind of have less culture shock problem, so I need food a lot. Okay. It's not gonna be easy, guys. Okay, here we are. Okay, first of all, let's see what I have. Oh, 1 to go. This is crispy fish, crispy. I told him please fry for me because I don't have fry here. Okay, that Tupperware, thank you, that is very thoughtful. I thought that I don't have any plate or dish to eat. Yeah, that's kind of his gift. Okay, what's next? 1, 2. Yeah, that's bento, the spicy dried squid from Thailand. I think the one piece is 30 baht each. Yeah, sunflower. It's kind of, you know, needed here because I'm free. Yeah, this is detergent. He spared some of his to me, and we have more bento. And this is my local food, nasi kerabu, or we call mixed rice. Now I can give this is Ovaltine. Yeah, that's kind of international drink. Everywhere on earth you can find it, I wish. Yeah, and this is, I think this is chili curry something from Thailand. Yeah, and that one is dry banana. Yeah, this is fish. I don't know the exact name. Yeah, beans, a kind of bean. Yo, khao tan is northern part. We don't have much in south. Yeah, I don't know that kind of bean. And this is also another package of pens from him. I didn't order it. Yeah, almond chocolate. Thank you for sparing some of his stuff to me. And these are canned food that I ordered because, you know what, here it's kind of hard to find what you have. Okay, these are Indonesian food. And this is some noodle cups from Indonesia, Malaysia. But sadly, yeah, I have a knife with me finally. I've been asking for the stuff like, can you use their knife? They say we don't have knife. Okay, got them. We don't have knife. Bye bye, that's all.